So yes, welcome to the channel. Morna K is here. So this is part two. So okay, I think I need to start my story. And who is Morna K? Yeah. Yeah, I think like that. Yeah, I think who is Morna K? Because some people think that I am from Thailand. Some people also think that I am Vietnamese, but I don't really think so. I don't think so that. So yes, so people also said that I am from Indonesia. I received like that people um, telling me and confused where I am really from. And then some people also said I am from India. So okay, I am okay. I am from the Philippines. I am Filipina. Oo, born and raised in the Philippines. Yes, I am a pure Filipina. Oo. So yeah, who is Morna K before? Before I meet Torjak. Yeah. Before I meet Torjak, I have already a full life. Yes, I think I met him. I met him when I was 29 years old. Yes. So we've been together for 8 years now. This coming September, if I am not mistaken, 28th of September 2019, 2018. Oh my God, I'm so bad with the numbers. So yes, so 8 years this coming September. That was the first meeting, first meetup. So we were talking online for 2 months. So we were not boyfriend and girlfriend that time. We were just talking. So before we met, every day after we met online, the dating site, we've been talking uh every day, and then as lang friends like that. And then after that, because for me also, I was not looking for a long distance relationship. I cannot. And then with him also, that's what Tojak also, or Mr. White, um he doesn't want to be in a long distance relationship. So during the time he was in France, and I was in the Philippines in Zamboanga City. So we were talking, 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 and suddenly he said, let's meet. So, okay, let's meet. So, but that time we were just friends. And after that, when he said, let's meet and let's see uh, if there is a spark, if we, then maybe we level up, we continue, level up or keep going like that. So, okay, so we met. And then after that, from the beginning, there's already something. And then we met, we went to the hotel, and that's it. The next day, we've been staying in the hotel for 3 days, no going out. And then after that, the rest is history. So the day that we met, we did not separate. After that, because there's already, I can feel already there's already something, and also for him also there's also something. So we already feel something. There's there is something, and then that can that grow. I don't know, it's like if you believe love at first sight like that. So there's already, we can feel it already, there's something. But yeah, after that I asked my parents that I'm gonna go with him like that, blah, blah. So we live together, and that's it. It's 8 years. Yeah. So I have already two kids when we met. I have two kids. I have my son, and then I have also my daughter. So as I said, I already have a full life before I met him. So I had also past relationship. And then people also, this is what also that I want to clarify, or I want to answer also, that because some Filipino, or not only Filipino, even other Westerner or anyone, guys or girls, saying that, oh, why you are looking for a foreigner, the APAM, why this, why you not with Filipino, same with Filipino, same like me. And my answer for that is, I was with the Filipino before and didn't work. My first child, I have two child from different guy. I got pregnant when I was on my college, I think at what, 18. I got pregnant 18. gave birth 19 years old. That was during college. I was studying that time. And yes, it didn't work. And then, okay, didn't work. So, I, yeah, because my son now is 18, my daughter is 12. So it didn't work. And then after that, I had again another Filipino. And then after that, and so on, blah, blah, blah. So, I had, I had also experience with Filipino, with different guys. So, yes. And then, yes. And then the dad of my daughter died when she was, I think she was, 6 months, and it was not really 1 year and 6 months. Yeah, I think so. I forgot. So yeah, she was really young when the dad died, and yes. So the good thing is I was not married with those time with this Filipino, because if I was married with them, it can not there will be no me and Mr. White today, because as you know, Philippines doesn't have divorce. So yeah, so that was the, yeah, I have Filipino. And after that I decided, I said, okay, maybe I'm not for Filipino. So that's why I try dating app, dating website like that. And that's it. I met, of course, it was not Torjak the first. I met also different guy. Yeah, there are Australian and then English. So yes, so yeah, that is what I want also to answer about that question. So these people who are saying that, oh, you are you look you just want for a money, for the green card, for this. Okay, I don't need green card or what's that, because Torjak also is not an American. So people who are telling that I US citizen, this green card, he is not American. Oo. So yes. So yeah, so I have Fi- I have Filipino. My partner before are Filipino, but didn't work. I had really really bad experience with the Filipino, and that's the time I decide. I said, okay, I'm not gonna be with Filipino anymore. My last relationship with the Filipino, it was really traumatized, like as in the the relationship was really bad, cheating, and then um yeah, so it's really traumatizing. But anyway, I did not really, because he's dead. Yeah, he died. Before he died, I already separated. So 3 months after we separate, I separated with him. I went back to my family, and yeah, he was already, yeah, 3 months. He's keep coming, visiting us and trying to get me back. But I said no, I'm not gonna. No, I said no, no, no. So and then after that, he died. So yeah, so okay, that's my answer for those people who are saying that, and why you deciding myself if I will be with anyone. So yeah, so I just want to that answer that question. So I have Filipino boyfriend before, or partner, but didn't work. So that's why I when I tried the dating app, and that's it, I found Mr. White. And yes, so that's the answer. So okay, if you have another question again, I'm going to do another video about this follow-up video. We do the part 3. So if you want to know more about Morana K, I will answer that. Okay? See you again on my next video. Bye.